This generation of powerhouse devices will see the latest Nvidia GeForce RTX 30 series graphics. Built with the award-winning Ampere architecture, as well as the AMD Ryzen 5000 Mobile Series CPU to deliver the full immersive gaming experience. We know these powerful silicons require optimized cooling to unleash its full potential, and I am so glad to share with you that with our cooling innovation, we are not only meeting their potential, we have sent them to their peaks. Our laptops are not only cooler, they are quieter. We have set our own goals to reduce the gaming noise level from 45 to 40 decibels. We are able to accomplish this aspiration with liquid metal thermal compounds, redesigned fan blades, and air tunnel. ROG Laptops was the first brand to bring liquid metal cooling into mass production. We have developed a patented process to apply exotic thermal compounds with flawless mechanical precision. Thanks to further refinements, we are able to bring liquid metal cooling to all our 2021 ROG laptop line. Our latest laptop also features a new fan design with a spatial wave around the outer edge. The patented fan blade design reduces turbulence so we can achieve highly effective airflow with less noise. Our updated self-cleaning system further cleans up airflow by using a shorter anti-dust tunnel to create more space around the fan for smoother airflow. Making the cooling quieter will also help you to appreciate the attention to detail we have put into audio experience. All our 2021 laptops comes with Dolby Atmos virtual surround sounds that really put you in the center of the action. They are also featured with a two-way AI noise cancellation design that makes sure your voice comes across clearly through the background noises of everyday life. It works with any input device and can also be applied to your downstream feeds if the noise intrusion happens to come from the other end. Driven by a desire to give you the very best we can, we continue to push the industry forward with new displays. Maximum speed is essential for competitive players and esports, where the margin of victory can come down to milliseconds, and we have consistently offered the fastest displays. In 2021, we are raising the bar again with the world's first 360Hz panel with an ultra-fast 3-millisecond response time. There is no better place to fit this panel than our all-new Strix Scar 17. Our top-of-the-line esports gaming laptop is all about pushing performance to the limits. It's more athletic than ever despite its smaller footprints that won't weigh you down. And it's more responsive thanks to the new optical mechanical keyboards that triggers in just 0.2 milliseconds. The new Strix Scar 17 takes advantage of the latest Nvidia Dynamic Boost technology, offers up to 130 watts of graphic power on Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080. Strix Scar also offers high-performance gaming with AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX, the unlocked version of AMD CPU powered by the Zen 3 architecture. We have invested the new laser etching treatments to bring the emissive tech flow on the top cover of ROG Strix. It allows us to add different layers of texture through laser etching process. We are increasingly looking for ways to help gamers express their uniqueness, and the Strix Scar Edition introduces a new way to modify the chassis itself. Its customizable ammo cap slides off and can be swapped with 2 additional designs that comes in the box. You can also customize your personal profile with ROG Keystone. Look closely, and you can see subtle hints of how much power lies inside. We use advanced manufacturing techniques, compounded with fiberglass material, to create a translucent accent that offers glimpse under the hood. The more accessible Strix G family also come in 3 different looks: Electropunk, Original Black, Eclipse Gray. They all come with a fast display up to 300 Hz. We reduced the footprint of these new machines by 7% compared to the last generation. We have upgraded our battery capacity by almost 50%. The new 90-watt-hour battery drastically improved the battery life of Strix family. To make it even more portable in the real-world use, we have added a Type-C adapter, support up to 100 watts. This feature is so useful, we ended up roll out to all our laptops in 2021. Last year, we revolutionized gaming laptop with the critically acclaimed ROG ScreenPad Plus. A secondary display is widely regarded as the best in the industry. For 2021, we are making the Zephyrus Duo even better with a special edition. The new model keeps the innovative AAS Plus cooling system that raises the second display to allow more airflow into the chassis. But it's all new under the hood. Our cooling enhancements takes the performance of Zephyrus Duo to a new height. Driving Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 to 130 watts with dynamic boost technology, we implemented a unique 6-phase power design, taking the CPU sustainable power limits to 90 watts, squeezing every drip of performance out of AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX. We have upgraded OLED display options on this new Zephyrus Duo, a selection between 120Hz 4K with Adobe 100% RGB offers stunning visual of cinematic gaming experience, or the 300Hz Full HD with 3 millisecond response time for competitive esports gaming. The new Zephyrus Duo is the flagship of our Zephyrus family that elevates ultra-slim gaming laptop designs. We have the highest market share in the thin gaming category, thanks largely to the Zephyrus G14 and G15, which are more accessible enough to bring great gaming experience to a wide range of lifestyle. We have completely redesigned the Zephyrus G15. It is 5% smaller and 200 grams lighter than the last generation. At its best, the Zephyrus G15 is equipped with Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 to offer exceptional graphics. A beautiful laptop to behold. The G15 has a total of 8,279 CNC perforated matrix holes. To demonstrate our precision to detail, we have added shimmery nano imprint lithography film underneath this matrix to refer the unwavering energy of lights. We have also improved the aesthetics of our V-cut design, adding a double anodized diamond cut. This is not only optimized for ventilation, it's also visually pleasing with a solid trim. The silky smooth glass touchpad is 20% bigger than its predecessor. A soft touch texture palm rest coated with 4 layers of environmental-friendly water-based paints. With all this, the Zephyrus G15 continues to be the incredible all-around laptop for gaming and so much more. The Zephyrus G15's upgraded display and audio really raises the bar. We have integrated a 3D microphone array with different configurations optimized for capturing different kinds of audio, even in the multi-directional conferences room. There is also a 6-speaker setup with force-canceling woofer that delivers crispy, clear sounds that I'm sure you will love. We have also upgraded the battery to 90 watts, offering uninterrupted video entertainment up to 13 hours. Last year, we were the first to demo a perfect balance of detail and speed with 1440p WQHD 165Hz display. With its 3 millisecond response time and a full DCI-P3 color gamut, this panel is ideal for gamers and creators, and it's the perfect fit for the new Zephyrus G15. If you want something more compact, the 14-inch Zephyrus G14 has an updated display option, up to 120Hz 1440p WQHD, along with the playful virtual pad Omni that can also be seen on the Anime Matrix display. The popularity of Zephyrus G14 shows the strong desire for ultra-portable gaming laptop that don't compromise on power. That's why this year we are going even smaller with the 13-inch ROG Flow X13. The gravity wave design shows the continuing wave of energy. We want the design to look like water with different forms and possibilities. It's only 50mm thin and weighs only 1.3 kg. ROG Flow X13 is compact with impact, powered by gaming graphic of Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 and the special edition of Ryzen 9 5980HS, the best performing Ryzen processor. There has never been so much power in such small device. But that is not all. This machine is much more than just a laptop. The versatile flip form factors with Gorilla Glass touchscreen let you adapt to a wide range of environments and scenarios. Go into the 10 modes and bring console gaming experience into the PC with a controller, or use the stylus in the tablet modes to elevate your artistry. This is one device that can truly go anywhere and do anything. The taller 16:10 display ratio provides more room to work and play. And you can choose between two config tailored for creators with 4K UHD or 120Hz Full HD for gamers. The Flow also gets over 10 hours of battery life, and it's powered by an ultra-compact Type-C charger that makes the whole system more portable. For gamers who want even more graphic power, we have thought something outside of the box and think of something truly unique. The ROG Flow X13 plugs into an external GPU X3 Mobile that redefines the category and takes versatility to the next level. External GPU has always been heavy and bulky, but the X3 Mobile is about the size of a book and is easily been thrown into a bag. It is the smallest external GPU ever, at just 6% the size of typical external graphic dock, and weighs only 1 kilogram. But we didn't sacrifice anything. It's available with Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 laptop GPU, running at up to 150 watts, packing more power than any of our other laptops. We achieved this with the compact vapor chamber cooling that increases the contact area by over 50% compared to the traditional heat pipes. Thanks to the proprietary PCI Express 3.0x8 interface that connects directly to the CPU with much higher bandwidth than Thunderbolts, the X3 Mobile offers better gaming performance than any other external GPU alternatives. The X3 Mobile includes a dedicated USB link to power the laptop and integrated I/O hub that can drive multiple displays and peripherals. The whole thing has an integrated 280-watt adapter that powers the X3 Mobile and laptop simultaneously, so you don't have to bring a separate power brick. There has never been a portable PC gaming platform that's so powerful and so versatile.